Guys, I got a cat. This is Truffle. And I just wanted to show you guys some videos of how he has been these past couple weeks. I think I got him like 2 weeks ago. And he's puked once already. That's my fault. He likes chin scratches a lot, but other than that, he just sleeps all day. And this is his favorite toy, a mouse. And he does this really cute thing where he shakes his butt before he goes and attacks. It's very cute. Oh. 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 Hi, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Hi, you want to come out? I know, you're in a new place. I'm sorry. You're also in a bathtub. Oh my god, he's so scared. To go outside or to not go outside is the question. He has learned how to jump into my bed, and now it's his bed. Get this thing off my face. String. Nom nom. I love rope. I'm just playing with my toy. He's so cute.
I am a beast.
It's the string. He loves it. Unless he hates it a lot.
He just likes the string.
Does not want to play with Mr. Dog.
Nope. Goodbye.
Aww. You know, cats spend 2/3 of their life sleeping, 16 hours a day. He woke me up at 6 a.m. today, and I haven't been able to sleep since. But he's fine. He pooped for the first time, and it was diarrhea. Good morning, Truffle. This is his favorite toy, isn't it? This is your favorite toy, right? Yeah, he won't even let go of it. He loves string, just in general. Hi, beautiful. Oh my god. How are you feeling?
Dude, he's panting.
We got him this cat tree. Let's see how he likes it. Truffle. Oh, totally avoiding it. Okay. Aha. I'm glad he's using a scratching post because he wasn't using his cardboard one that we got him. Hi, baby. Hi. Yep, definitely more interested in the box. I might just keep this box for him. Silly boy. I got a cat backpack. I don't know if you can see it, and also I don't know if you can hear him, but he's complaining. He hates it. But he's gonna love it. We're gonna take him on picnics. This is gonna be so cute. Truffle, say hi. Okay, cool. Ooh, he hates this. Okay. So excited.